Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Ansul 438662 Automan Release Assembly is what this is. And this video is to serve primarily as a visual review of this item. The Ansul Automan Regulated Mechanical Release Assembly contains the regulated release mechanism, agent tank, and expellent gas hose within a metal enclosure. The enclosure contains knockouts to facilitate component hookups. Order tanks separately. So this is the release assembly. And this video is literally meant to just show you exactly what you're getting when you order this. The 438662 is the release assembly. Doesn't include the enclosure, the tank, the hose. It's exactly and only what you see here. Probably the thing to do now is to just give you the ability to study what this looks like. I'll show you some photographs that we have that will show you the writing that's here. Sometimes people email us that stuff and looking for a match. This will obviously connect to the hose, back to the tank, sits in an enclosure, weighs about 3.4 pounds. Overall height, just to give you an idea of scale, looks like it's about 8 inch. Overall width looks like it's about 4 inch. Maybe an overall depth about 5 inch. Let's switch to the screen view and let's take a look at what documentation I do have. Let's take a look at that. Let's do that now. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now let's get back to it. So here's the description seen in our site. The Automan Regulated Mechanical Release Assembly. This is crucial. Contains the regulated release mechanism, agent tank, and expellent gas. It does not. Hose with metal enclosure. None of that's included. All that you're getting is what we're showing here. The enclosure contains knockouts to facilitate... Okay, order tanks separately. There's a system manual here, and there's also a data sheet. Let's look at the system manual, and it doesn't call specific attention to this item unless you kind of know what you're looking for, which I am not necessarily saying that I do. But mechanical release is what we should be searching for. The Automan Regulated Mechanical Assembly Release Mechanism. It's referred to here. There's no doubt that it's referred to here. But quite frankly, even on the manufacturer's page, it's less than obvious what you're getting. In fact, they don't really have much of a reference to this at all. Now we do have a data sheet that's below, and the reason I show it is because it has a nicer photograph from the factory. So it's obviously this assembly here is what you're looking at, is what you're getting with this. 4 pages perhaps or so in this. R-102 fire suppression system. It's going to fit inside of here. Release assembly. The cartridge, the agent tank, the hose, the housing, all that separate. Unfortunately, they don't really have a direct reference to 438662 anywhere. And while this video will admittedly lack information regarding installation, it's not the intent of this video to help describe how to install something that must be installed by a factory-trained and certified integrator. However, the value in this video may just simply be the fact that at least you'll see what it is. There's a link below this, as seen here, to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Ansul products we sell by means of this horizontal navigation, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, and encyclopedic documents are here as well. Any questions on the Ansul 438662 Automan Mechanical Release Assembly or any other Ansul product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.